Right, so you're interested in aquaponics, basically.
Sure.
Okay, well,
Well, aquaponics becomes a part of it because the plant life will clean very well,
sure,
clean the fish problems that
right,
arise. You can do it with plastic parts. It works,
sure. No, I just wasn't
but
sure
Mother
like how
Nature
that worked
really well.
for you in a system like that. I know that I had a little homestead, thing years ago where I was working on for about a couple of years. I was working on a little permaculture system, and that was part of it. Was a little aquaponics setup that fed some fish and some crawdads and some plants. And the whole idea is to turn the nitrates into nitrites, let everything harmonize and balance. And does it work the same way for you with what you're doing?
So just to let you know, and I know we didn't talk about this either, but I started by creating a gray water system at my shop. And so the gray water would go down into this biosystem, then it would go into the second biosystem, and then as it went through the second biosystem into the pond area, I put a whole bunch of goldfish out there. Are they going to survive or are they going to die? Right.
Sure.
Now, this is me experimenting, of course.
Okay.
And I was fascinated how quickly the water was cleaned up by cycling the water back through the gravels and the sands and
Sure.
the woody material.